little youth, me see the love clear. Mama and papa they dead, but mama you always near. Any dream me dream, you say go chase that. Even when me doubt, you never one step back. You say words are wine, them can't broke my soul. So me stand firm, keep me eyes on my goal. From primary days to me high school years, you carry me through all the pressure and fears. Mommy, you are my strength when me feel weak. You are the voice when me can't even speak. Through the struggle you never let go. Now me stand tall just for make you know. Everything you do me carry it with pride. All the sleepless nights you fight by my side. This a song you from me heart so deep. Mama you love me forever, kid. Me see how you work day in and night. Sacrifice plenty just for make things right. Even when things never easy at all, you still stand tall, never make we fall. You motivate when me feel low. Tell me keep going, don't stop, just grow. Even when me want things, you try your best. Put me future first, never settle for less. You are my strength when me feel weak. You are the voice when me can't even speak. Through the struggle you never let go. Now me stand tall just for make you know. Everything you do me carry it with pride. All the sleepless nights you fight by my side. This your song, you're from me heart so deep. Mama you love me forever deep. You tell me go college, make something of me name. Me take up the challenge, me stay in the game. From high school days when me did feel unsure. Are your voice in me head say you destined for more. Me apply, get through doors, start from wide. Bachelor's degree, yeah, me wear it with pride. Then me push even more, me not settle for less. Now me own me masters, mommy, you are the best. Every word you write in a that letter turn guide for me life, make me better. You say, do your part, now me understand. Every step me take was a part of your plan. From your prayers to me late night grind. Everything connect, all the city design, eh. So when me rise, just know this true. Mommy, me success come from you. Mommy, you are my strength when me feel weak. You are the voice when me can't even speak. Through the struggle you never let go. Now me stand tall just for make you know. Everything you do me carry it with pride. All the sleepless nights you fight by my side. This your song, you're from me heart so deep. Mama, you love me forever deep.
Dear son, I hope when these few lines reach you, you're in the best of health. For me, I am fine. Just missing you, I don't want you to waste your education. Please go to college so that you have a career. I'm here for you financially, just do your part. And I am 100% behind you. Take care for now. Love you always. Your mom. Peace never do anything without God. I know when it is Christmas time or any holiday, my mom usually sent me these little cards with, you know, a little bit of money. And 1 year after I left high school, she gave me this. And this pushed me to where I am today, and this song is for her.